I'm starting off by priming my face with the Master Prime by Maybelline. It blurs and smooths the skin. So I'm just rubbing that all over. Next, I'm dotting my face with the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation in the color D50. I love this foundation because it's super matte and it's blendable, and I love that it's transfer resistant. So I don't have time to be putting makeup all over my clothes. So I'm just blending that all in, just making sure that I covered all the areas of my face. And the sponge I'm using is the Real Technique sponge. It's very good. Next, I'm concealing my face with the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline in the color Tan. This concealer is very creamy and thick, and I'm just highlighting my nose area, my forehead, my cheeks, not my cheeks guys, under my eyes and also on my chin. So I'm just blending that in, just making sure everything is covered. And I also make sure to blend it on my eyelids. Next, I'm going to set that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder is bomb, y'all. Like, when I say it's bomb, it's the only one I use. So I just make sure to powder under my eyes, my forehead, and also on my chin. And everywhere else I did not set, I'm going to use the L'Oreal 2 Matte Super Blendable Powder. And this powder is bomb, y'all. It fits my skin color at least, but it makes you even more matte. So now I'm bronzing with the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Bronzer. I love this bronzer. It is so easy to blend out, and I just blend my cheeks. I also bronze up my forehead and under my chin. I don't contour, so bronzing makes it easier for me. With that same bronzer, I'm just bronzing my eyelids here, just to give it some depth. Then I just set all that with my Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe. Now, I don't do fake eyelashes. I just like to put loads of mascara onto my eyes. So I'm doing the top and the bottom here. And y'all, what is my cat staring at? Okay, so now I'm just lining my lips here with just a regular brown lip pencil I got from a beauty supply store. And I like to line my lips to give it some depth. Sometimes I'll cover my entire lip with the lip liner, but here I'm just doing the outside. And next I'm taking my NYX Butter Gloss and Angel Food Cake just to gloss up my lips a little bit. I love the lip liner and gloss combo. So that's basically my natural makeup routine. I don't do much at all, as you can see. I'm just, fixing this 7-day-old twist out. Y'all, when I say it's dirty and old and crackling and dusty, but I gotta make it work because I gotta go work. So I'm just fluffing it out to my liking. I usually shake it out just to allow me to maneuver it the way I want to, but I'm just fixing my middle part here where it's been since I did the twist out. And that's basically my natural makeup routine, guys. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and tune in for my next video. Bye, guys.